Stop comparing yourself to others. Seriously, just stop it. Just because everyone out there is diving into AI, building apps, plugins, portals, and other amazing stuff doesn't mean you have to do that as well. Sure, it looks exciting. People are making cool things, getting attention, and maybe even cashing in on this fancy bit of kit. But here's the thing, unless you really have a passion for it, don't dive in just because everyone else is. Building something public means responsibility. You're accountable for every glitch, every update, and every late night bug fix that you're told about and that you have to fix to keep people happy. It will be fun until it's not fun. And when things unravel, when issues pile up, when support requests flood in, that's when reality's gonna hit. What did I go and create? I created a monster. And if you're not fully invested, it becomes a burden. It's no longer an achievement. I'm not trying to put anyone off it. I'm just giving you reality check. So instead of chasing trends, focus on what you want to do well. Designing, developing, marketing, managing, getting clients. Whatever your strength is, own that. Own it. Be the person that people are going to remember for doing something brilliant. Not just the person who went and did everything. Venturing out to do new stuff is great. Learning new things is important. We need to evolve. But whatever you do it because it excites you. Not because you felt pressured to do it, to keep up with what's the fancy thing happening this month. There's no prize for stretching yourself too thin. Your career, your hobby, your goals, they should play to your strengths. It's better to be exceptional at one thing than mediocre at many. We all have different paths. Trying to mirror someone else's journey only leads to frustration and burnout. So instead of asking yourself, well, what's everyone else doing? Ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing? Because that's where your best work will come from. And guess what? When you focus on your strengths, you will naturally stand out. People will recognize your talent, your consistency, your value. You don't have to chase success. It will follow you when you're doing something frigging well. It's easy to get distracted by what others are doing, right? Social media makes it a million times worse. You see it highlight reels and posts and retweets, and you think you're getting left behind. But you're not. You're on your own timeline, your own journey. And that is perfectly fine. Stay in your lane. Drive with confidence. Because the moment you start focusing on what you do best, right? What you do best, everything else will fall into place. Opportunities will come. Recognition will follow. And most importantly, you will stay true to yourself.